How to add your payment on Payhip. So just go into your preferred browser and search for Payhip, of course, and open up your website. You're gonna have to log into your account, and once you're there, you can directly navigate yourself to your account. You can also go ahead and do it here on your store essentials and then the setup checkout. But if you don't see this, just go ahead here in the top right, go to your settings and go to your payment details. This is where you'll see basically the payment methods. You can go ahead and choose PayPal. Just go ahead and press on connect on this one. You're gonna have to enter your PayPal email, open your Gmail address where you use the email from, and you can have to verify it from there. You can also go ahead and use Stripe over here. So connect to accept payments from credit or debit cards, specifically from Stripe. You can choose your default currency over here. So just go ahead and choose whichever you prefer. You can also see all the payment methods available. So you're gonna have to change your country as well so that you will see the available payment methods in that country. So once you have chosen your payment method over here, you can go ahead and put a statement description as well. This will appear on your customer's bank statement and they should recognize it's you. So put in your statement description and just go ahead and save your settings. So that's pretty much how you do this. So hopefully the information of this video can help you. And if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.